Hello everyone, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to make the best chocolate cake recipe. This cake is perfect for any occasion, and it's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the ingredients we'll need for this delicious cake. We'll be using the following. 1. All-purpose flour. This is the most common flour used in cake recipes. It helps the cake rise and gives it a fluffy texture. 2. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is a good choice for a cake because it helps the batter lighten up and prevents the cake from sticking to the pan or baking sheet. 3. Flour. Flour is essential for cake batter. It provides structure and helps the cake rise. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a leavening agent that helps the cake rise and prevents it from sinking. It's also used to enhance the flavor of the cake. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the recipe. Here's how to make the best chocolate cake recipe. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 F 175C and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. Step 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs, all-purpose flour, and vegetable oil. This will create a smooth and pourable batter. Step 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the Dutch processed cocoa powder and powdered sugar. This will give our cake a rich, chocolate flavor. Step 4. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake tough. Step 5. Gently fold in the chocolate chips or shaved chocolate if using. Step 6. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Step 7. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before removing it to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 9. Once the cake has cooled, frost it with your favorite chocolate frosting and enjoy. In conclusion, making the best chocolate cake recipe requires using high-quality chocolate ingredients, ensuring a smooth and pourable batter, and following the recipe step by step. With these tips, you'll be able to create a delicious and satisfying cake that everyone will love. Happy baking!